Exercise 13.8 of the chapter Surface Areas and Volume. This exercise is related to the volume of sphere and hemisphere. Okay. The volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. And volume of a sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now we will use this formula for solving this exercise. Okay. Now the question number 1. Find the volume of a sphere whose radius is 7 centimeter. Just put in the formula r equal to 7. Okay. R equal to 7 centimeter. Now find the volume of a sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now 4 by 3 pi is 22 by 7. And r cube is 7 into 7 into 7. 3 times. R cube means multiplied itself by 3 times. Cancel 7. Now multiply 22 4 is 88 into 49 by 3. You will get the answer by dividing this. 4312 by 3. Now convert into the fraction. Divided by 1, 4, 3, 7, 1 remainder 3 centimeter cube. Okay. Next question. When the radius is 0.63 meter. Okay. R equal to 0.63 meter. Now volume of a sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Pi is 22 by 7. R cube means 0.63, 0.63 and 0.63. 7 9 is 63. 0.09. 3 3 is 9. 0.03. Now multiplying this, you will get 22 4 is 88 into 0.63 into 0.033 is 9, 3 6 is 18. Now multiply, you will get the decimal will come to 2 and 2. Here is 4, 0.01. Now multiplying this, you will get 1.0478816. Near about 1.05 meter cube. Okay. Next question. Question number 2. Find the amount of water displaced by a solid spherical ball of the diameter 28 centimeter. Okay. The amount of water displaced by it means the volume of spherical ball. The diameter is 28 centimeter. Then radius equal to 14 centimeter. Now volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of spherical ball. Pi r cube means 14 into 14 into 14. 7 2 is 14. Now multiplying all this, 22 4 is 88, 196 into 2 by 3. You will get the final answer is multiplying and 11498 whole 2 by 3 meter centimeter cube. Okay. Question number 3. The diameter of a metallic ball is 4.2 centimeter. What is the mass of the ball if the density of the metal is 8.9 gram per centimeter cube? The diameter is 4.2 centimeter. The diameter is 4.2 centimeter. It means radius equal to 2.1 centimeter. Now volume of ball 4 by 3 pi r cube. It means 4 by 3. Pi is 22 by 7. R is 2.1 into 2.1 into 2.1. 7 3 is 21. It means 0.3. Now cancel 3 by 3 is 0.1. 22 2 4 is 88. and square of 21 is 441. Now decimal place 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3 decimal place is here. Now multiply 88 into 4.41 is 38.808 centimeter cube. Now the density is 8.9 gram per centimeter cube. It means the what will be the mass weight equal to 38.808 into 8.9. Multiplying this and getting the answer 345.39 gram. Okay. Next question number 4. The diameter of a moon is approximately 1/4 of the diameter of the earth. The what fraction of the volume of the earth is of the volume of the moon? The diameter of the moon is approximately 1/4 of the diameter of the earth. The diameter of the moon equal to 1/4 of diameter of the earth. It means 2 times radius of moon equal to 1/4 into 2 times of radius of earth. Now the relation between radius of the moon upon radius of the earth, it means radius of moon equal to radius of the earth by 4. Now what fraction of the volume of earth is the volume of the moon? Volume of earth equal to 4/3 pi r e cube. It means, and volume of moon equal to 4/3 pi r m cube. Now ratio is volume of moon by volume of earth. Get rm cube upon re cube. Okay. The rm equal to re by 4. Rm equal to re by 4 whole cube by re cube. Re cube by 64 into re cube. Cancel. The ratio becomes 1:64. The volume of the moon is 1/64 of volume of the earth. Okay. Next question. Now question number 5. How many liters of milk can a hemispherical bowl of diameter 10.5 centimeter hold? How many liters of milk a hemispherical bowl? It means volume of hemisphere. Diameter is 10.5 centimeter. The diameter is 10.5 centimeter. It means radius is 10.5 by 2. Decimal for 21/4 centimeter. Now volume of hemisphere is 2/3 pi r cube. 2/3 pi is 22/7 and r is 21/4 cube, means multiplied by 3 times. Now cancel. 3 7 ja 24, 7 7. Now 4 2 2 ja 4 and 2 11. Now multiply. 21 into 21 is 441. 11 into 441 by 16. Okay. Now solve. 11 into 441 is 4851 by 16. Now divided by 16 is getting 303.1875. 303.1875 centimeter cube. And how many liter? It means divided by 1000. Divided by 1000. Get 0.303 liter. This is the answer of question number 5. A hemispherical tank, question number 6, is made up of an iron sheet of 1 centimeter thick. If the inner radius is 1 meter, find the volume of iron used to make the tank. It means inner radius 1 meter, it means outer radius is 1 centimeter thick, यानी 1 meter plus 1 centimeter. Inner radius equal to 1 meter and outer radius 1 meter plus 1 centimeter, यानी 1.01 meter. Now volume of hemispherical tank. Hemispherical means 2 by 3 pi r outer cube minus r inner cube. This is a whole volume of hollow hemisphere. 2 by 3 pi is 22 by 7 r cube 1.01 whole cube minus 1 cube. Okay, 44 by 21 into 1.01 cube. The cube of 1.01 is 1.030301 minus 1 cube is 1. Now 44 into subtracting 1 we will get 0.030301 by 21. Now multiplied by 44 you will get 1.333244 by 21. Now divided by 21 you will get 0.06348 meter cube. This is the answer. Okay. Question number 7. Find the volume of a sphere whose surface area is 154 centimeter square. The surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r square. By using 4 pi r square equal to 154, you will get radius and find the volume of a sphere. The surface area is 154. It means 4 pi r square equal to 154. 4 into 22 by 7 into r square equal to 154. 22 7 ja 154. R square equal to 7 into 7 by 4 means 2 into 2. Radius equal to 7 by 2. Now the volume of a sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube. Pi means 22 by 7. R is 7 by 2, 7 by 2 and 7 by 2. Now cancel 7, 2 2s are 4. Now 22 into 7 is 154 into 7 by 6. Now multiply 7 4s are 28. 2 37 3 7 1078 by 6. Okay. Now dividing by this 6 1 ja 6 47 6 7 ja 42 58 7 9 ja 6 8 ja 6 9 ja 54 179 whole 2 by 3. Here is 4 by 6, remainder 4 and 6 by cancelling 2 by 3. You can cancel here. 2 3 ja 6, 2 5 ja 10, 2 3 ja 6, 2 9 ja 18. 3 1 ja 3, 3 7 ja 21, 3 9 ja 27, 2 whole 2 by 3 meter. Okay. The next question. Question number 8. A dome of a building is in the form of hemisphere. From inside, it was whitewashed at the cost of rupees 498.96. If the cost of whitewashing is rupees 2 per square meter, find the inside surface area of the dome. This is the total cost and per square meter cost is rupees 2. The total cost divided by 2, you will get the inside surface area of the dome. Then inside surface area, from that you will get radius, then volume of the hemisphere. Okay. Total cost is 498.96 and rate is rupees 2 per meter square. Now the inside surface area equal to 498.96 divided by 2. Divide 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 9s are 18. This is the per meter square. This is the surface area. Now using surface area of hemisphere is inside 2 pi r square. 2 pi r square equal to 249.48. This is the surface area. Radius is 249.48 into 7 by 2 into 22. First we cancel by 2. You will get 1, 2 into 7 by 22. This will be divisible by 11. 11 2s are 22. Now 11 1 ja 11. 11 1 ja 11. 37.34. 11.34. Now divided by 2 is or solve. You will get. Now solve. You will get 39.69. This is the r square. Then r equal to under root 39.69. It means solve this square root. You will get 6.3 meter. Okay. Now find the volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. 2 by 3 pi r cube means 6.3 into 6.3 into 6.3. 7 9 just 63. 0.9. By cancel 3. 0.3. Now multiply 2 into 22 into 6.3 into 0.3. You will get 523.9 meter cube. Okay. Question number 9. 27 solid iron spheres, each of radius r and surface area s, are melted to form a sphere with surface area s dash. Find the radius of r dash of the new sphere. 27 iron spheres of radius r melt. It means the volume of 27 spheres equal to the volume of main sphere, bigger sphere. Okay. The volume of radius r, volume of v dash equal to 27 v. V means volume of smaller spheres and v dash is a volume of bigger sphere. The radius 4 by 3 pi r dash cube equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube into 27. Cancel 4 by 3. R dash cube is equal to 27 r cube. It means r dash equal to 3r. Cube root, taking cube root both sides. Okay. The find the radius r dash of the new r dash equal to 3r. The ratio of s and s dash. S upon s dash. S means 4 pi r square and s dash is 4 pi r dash square. 4 pi cancel. R square and r dash equal to 3r. 3r whole square. R square upon 9r square. Get the ratio is 1:9. S is s dash equal to 1 by 9. 1:9. Question number 10. A capsule of medicine is in the shape of a sphere of diameter 3.5 millimeter. How much medicine is needed to fill this capsule? The diameter is this. How much medicine? It means that equal to its volume. So you can find the volume of a sphere. The diameter is 3.5 millimeter. Now radius 3.5 by 2. The volume of a sphere, a spherical capsule, 4 by 3 pi r cube. It means 4 by 3, pi is 22 by 7, r is 3.5 by 2. 3.5 by 2, cube means 3 times. 2. 2 2s are 4, cancel. Now 7 5 ja 35, 0.5. Again 2 11. The remains is 11 into 3.5 into 3.5 is 3 4 are 12.25 into 0.5 by 3. 11 5 are 55 यानी 5.5 into 12.25 by 3. Now multiply. 5.5 into 12.25 is 67.375 divided by 3. 3 2 are 6, 3 2 are 6, 3 4 are 12, 15, 8, 1 remains. It means the approx answer is 22.46 millimeter cube. The volume of the capsule is 22.46 millimeter cube. Okay, finished.